When you search for the best elbow pads for skateboarding, everything looks the same. Same features, same flashy designs. But to find out which ones actually keep you safe when you hit the pavement, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, BOSONER Kids Protective Gear Set. First up, we have the BOSONER Kids Youth Knee Pad Elbow Pads Guards Protective Gear Set, priced at $19.98. This caught my eye because it's a bestseller with over 15,800 reviews and a solid 4.5-star rating. If you want reliable protection for your child while they skate, this is worth a serious look. These pads feature adjustable straps that make them easy to put on and take off, ensuring a secure fit during any activity. The thick, ventilated EVA foam helps circulate airflow, which is especially important for young skaters who can get hot and sweaty. With a weight of just 7.4 ounces, they won't weigh your child down while they're having fun. Plus, the set comes with knee pads, elbow pads, and wrist guards, offering complete protection for various sports like skating, cycling, and more. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The comprehensive coverage means your child is safeguarded against scrapes and falls, giving you peace of mind. Now, some parents mention that the sizing can be a bit tricky, especially if your child is between sizes. Here's the thing though, this might not be a deal breaker if you're willing to adjust accordingly, and it's ideal for casual skaters. This is perfect for you if you have a child aged 3-15 looking for a safe and affordable option. Skip this one if your child is just starting and you want something more durable for extreme sports. At this price, it's a solid value for peace of mind. Now, if the sizing issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, JBM Adult and Kids Protective Gear. Next up is the JBM Adult and Kids Knee Pads Elbow Pads and Wrist Guards, retailing at $29.99. With a 4.6-star rating and over 18,100 reviews, this set promises durability and comfort. If you're seeking something that fits both kids and adults, this is worth checking out. The multiple adjustable straps ensure a snug fit across varying sizes, which is especially important for those who are still growing. This means you can use them across different activities like inline skating, skateboarding, and scootering. Here's why this matters for you. The versatility means you won't have to buy new gear every time your kid grows or when you switch activities. However, a few users pointed out that the sizing can be a bit off. They suggest going a size up. Here's the thing though, as long as you're aware of this, it's easy to find a size that works for you and it still holds up well for regular use. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable set that can grow with your child or if you're an adult looking for protection while skating. Skip this one if you're into very extreme sports where you might need more specialized gear. For this quality, it's a great investment. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who need something a bit sturdier. Product number 3, Bansk 6-in-1 Protective Gear Set. Coming in at $22.99, the Bansk Adult Knee Pads Elbow Pads Wrist Guard Set offers a complete 6-in-1 package. With a rating of 4.5 stars from nearly 1,900 reviews, it's a solid choice for those looking for comprehensive protection. If you want something that caters to both kids and adults, this is worth a serious look. The Bansk set is crafted from 600D high-density Oxford cloth and features thickened, tough PP shells for maximum impact resistance. The lightweight EVA foam layers ensure you don't feel weighed down while maintaining high protection. The adjustable elastic bands and magic stickers make these easy to fit for various body types, keeping them secure during falls. Here's why this matters. You need that combination of comfort and security, especially when you're out trying to perfect your tricks. A downside some users have mentioned is that the straps can wear out over time. But here's the thing, if you're not using them every day or if you treat them well, they should last quite a while, just something to keep in mind. This is perfect for you if you want a complete gear set that offers good protection for various outdoor sports. Skip this one if you're looking for a more minimalist option. For the price and the features, it's a great value. Now, if the durability concerns were a turn-off for you, the next product might just change your mind. Product number 4, Tandem Knee and Elbow Pads. Next, we have the Tandem Skating Protective Gear Set, priced at $28.68. It boasts a 4.5-star rating from 1,400 reviews. If you're an adult looking for something well-designed and comfortable, this one deserves your attention. These pads include an impact-resistant PP shell padded with thick 9 EVA material, which provides excellent protection without sacrificing comfort. The adjustable straps keep everything in place, reducing the risk of slippage during a fall. Why does this matter? Well, you want to feel secure and comfortable while pushing your limits. However, a few buyers noted that they can feel a bit bulky at times. But honestly, I'll take a little extra weight for more protection, especially when you're learning new tricks. This is perfect for you if you're serious about skating and want something that won't move around on you. Skip this if you're looking for something lightweight for casual skating. For the quality, it's worth every penny. Now, if you want something a bit more lightweight, our last product might be exactly what you're looking for. Product number 5, BODYPROX Protective Gear Set. Finally, we have the BODYPROX Knee Pads Elbow Pads Wrist Guard Set, priced at $26.99. With a strong rating of 4.6 stars and over 1,700 reviews, this set is designed for those who want robust protection without added weight. If you're into serious skating, this is worth considering. The EVA foam padding absorbs shock, keeping you comfortable on impact. The adjustable hook and loop closures ensure a snug fit while allowing you to put them on easily, no struggling to get them on or off. Here's why this matters. You want to stay focused on your performance, not fiddling with your gear. A few folks mentioned that the sizing can be a bit tricky, especially if you're on the border of sizes. But I'll be real with you. As long as you check the size chart carefully, you should find a solid fit. This is perfect for you if you're looking for reliable, durable protection that's easy to wear. Skip this if you prefer something more minimalist or if you're not into hardcore skating. Considering the features, it's definitely a good value for serious skaters. So to recap, we've looked at the BOSONER set for kids, the versatile JBM pads for both ages, the comprehensive Bansk set, the comfort-focused tandem pads, and the lightweight yet protective BODYPROX gear. Each has its strengths and might suit different needs. Choose what fits your style and budget best and stay safe out there.